Hey guys, Nick from BCA. We are going to go outside to the range and test our Glock barrels. We're going to be using Nathan's Polymer80 build and my own personal build, running BCA manufactured components in our Glocks, see how they perform. We'll be right back with the results. Hey guys, we're back here at the pistol range testing out our Polymer80 that we sighted in on our ransom rest the other day. We're going to do a quick functions test, make sure everything runs great. Alright guys, we're back here at the pistol range testing out the BCA drop-in replacement barrel for the G19. I'm going to run 2 mags through it, see how it goes. Alright guys, we appreciate you watching this video on our Glock barrels. We think you'd like them. Check them out on our website. We have multiple calibers and multiple sizes, 17, 19, we have the 40 caliber models, you name it. Be sure to check us out. You won't be disappointed. We guarantee everything that we make with the Barrett-In limited lifetime guarantee, so you're 100% covered. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and build it your way with BCA.